We are photographing a pair of Crested Kingfisher here in Chafi, and they are seen very good in winters. And right now one male is still sitting on the rock, and we have just made a photograph of one photograph. Can you show the photograph please? Yeah, the male was
It's a female.
Female fishing. Show the male is still sitting there. Sakshi, can you show the male? It's still sitting there. Lovely. So we are here and spending time with this pair since last 20-25 minutes. This is absolutely crazy. Oh. We came down the river and we would love to capture some more fishing shots. Yesterday evening we also got fishing shot, but this is remarkable. Thank you.